Um, can I have, one chicken? No, wait. One chicken rice? Or rice chicken?
You mean chicken with rice?
Ordering food in English can be confusing. But today, you'll learn exactly how to do it, from greeting the waiter to paying the bill, all in one fun and easy conversation. Let's go!
Hello, welcome to Sunny Spoon. Table for one?
Hello? Yes, just me.
Right this way. Here's your menu.
What's the difference between grilled and fried chicken?
Grilled means cooked on fire. Healthier. Fried is cooked in oil. Tasty, but not so healthy.
Oh. I want to live long. I'll take grilled then.
Ha ha ha. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water please.
Still or sparkling?
Still? Sparkling? Oh. I just want not jumping water.
Ha ha. Got it. Still water.
Can I order a dessert?
A desert, like the Sahara.
Oh no. I mean dessert.
Don't worry. It happens a lot. Dessert has 2 S's. More sugar.
2 hours later.
Why do they say fast food? It's not that fast.
Sorry for the wait. Here's your grilled chicken.
Wow, smells delicious.
Would you like dessert?
I shouldn't, but yes. One chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here you go. Please tap your card.
That was delicious. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, everything was perfect. I'll definitely come back.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too, see you next time. Let's review what we learned today. When you enter a restaurant, you can say, "Table for one, please." When you're ready to order, you can say, "I'll take the grilled chicken." If you make a mistake, no problem. Just laugh and correct yourself. When you finish eating, remember to say, "Can I have the bill, please?" And always, always be polite and friendly. Now you're ready to order food in English like a native speaker. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun English lessons with me. See you in the next adventure.